Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Goblin Senpai is here with you another video. There will be a big update regarding the next season of the Danmachi, as or other name of this anime is it wrong to try to pick up a girl in a dungeon, as it always revolve around the dungeons, monsters and the twisted plotted between the gods. For all these twists are always revolve around this young man Belcranil, and let's go through the summary first. Life in the Orion city never dull, especially for Belcranil, a naive young man who hopes becoming the greatest adventure in the land. After a chance encounter with the lonely goddess Hestia, his dream becoming a little closer to reality. With her support, Bell embarks on a fantastic quest as he ventures deep within the city, monster filled with catacombs known as only as dungeons. Always the study, there are a mysterious dungeon all over the world in this anime, as known as the catacombs, or you can say the monster filled with as dungeons. Death lurks around every corner in the depths of this terrifying dungeons, and a mysterious power moves amidst the shadow. Even on the surface, survival is hard and privileged. Indeed, nothing is ever certain in a world where gods and humans live and work together, especially when they struggle to get along. One thing is for sure, that our young myriad of blunders, triumphs and friendships await the dauntlessly optimistic protagonist of this Herculean tale. You can say this is a heroic tale. In this, the last tale of the heroes told that it is the last hero of this Herculean tale which is born as the last hero of this you can say of this series, or you can say of this all the heroes that particularly happened in the past. This is the last only hero for the you can say this world, and there is never the nevertheless another hero born again in this world. So you can say this is the last measurement or the last hero which is ever born. As Belcranil known the first season that he is very weak, but he suddenly get a you can say grim war, and he read it, and then all the mysterious power become, and he tried to become the hero, as he always have a positive attitude that said that if he believe in something, then he definitely get it and become the most powerful person in this world, or you can say Orion, as it is a small city. And there are, in the second season, you can see the around the Orion city regarding as other cities also, and he met a fox there, fox girl, and then he saved that fox girl and submit to him. And then all these particularly parts in the third season, which will be released in July, as it is the news suggested that on I think second week of the July the anime started, and it contains I think 12 to 15 episodes. So let's wait and see the third episode, which contain many more adventures that revolve around the bell. So see you in the next video guys. I hope you like it, and if you like, please subscribe and comment if you have any suggestion regarding the new upcoming videos. So see you in the next video.